what it's like living in these buildings right now. It's very difficult to explain just how loud that is. It must suck to live here right now. They'll have a nice new train station soon, but for now, well, you know how they say there's a first time for everything? Well, my camera has this thing called an attenuator. It's for when you're recording things like rock concerts and jet aircraft. you turn it on and it really reduces the volume a whole bunch. Well, today is the first time I used it. That is so loud. There's absolutely no way that these people are not hearing it. And it is, let's see, what time is it here? It is currently 9:35 at night. I don't know if he's done for the night, but that's gotta annoy some people. I don't know why they're so behind schedule that they need to do it so late at night. Or what else could be the reason? Why are they jackhammering bedrock in a residential neighborhood at 9:30 at night? Got any ideas? Leave it in the comments. Give a thumbs up for my ears for standing there and making that time lapse. Anyway, there's lots of videos that I have all about this series here, and I gotta go catch the bus. Cheers.